This video is sponsored by Squarespace.
Are you gonna join them, Faisal?
Yeah, I really wonder what they're listening to. Is it all in sync? That's what I'm wondering. I don't think I'm enjoying it as much as she is. Welcome to New York City. That was my verdict, bro.
Hey, are you a professional?
Nah.
No? Hey,
Nah.
that's good. Check me out, man. Send me a text message.
What'd you do?
Everything. Just send me a text. We'll talk.
Alright, nice
All
one.
right? Sure.
Nerd Nation Entertainment.
Oh.
That could be porno, maybe? I don't know. I'll definitely send a text. Here's a funny story. We stopped off to get some coffee. Went to the toilet downstairs. I was absolutely desperate. Tried to open the door doesn't open. So I figured, you know what, it's one of those, single cubicles. Trying not to get run over. Single cubicles, someone's in there. Waiting for 5 minutes, literally about to piss myself. Shall we go over there? Is it the light?
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, so yeah. All that way, yeah. So, alright. Anyway, as I was saying, so yeah, standing there, about to piss myself, no one's coming out. I'm thinking, like, what the hell are they doing in there for that long? Push the door a bit harder, it opens, it's a normal toilet. Safe to say I felt like a bit of a tool. Then I got lost on the way out and ended up walking out like 4 doors down. So, yeah, tourist abroad. This man can just see reflections. I don't know how he does it, because I personally can't. I walk past the window and see like 20 different compositions, and I'm just like, that's a window. But just goes to show that everyone just looks at different things. He can just stand there for like 10 minutes and end up with 10 good photos.
Bouncing off that building.
So you get double exposure, like double light, isn't it? Yeah. Alright, so the plan so far is we're basically walking towards the light. And as the sun is moving east, I think, or west, basically that way, right? We're gonna just keep slowly moving that way and gonna end up, as I've said, by the river for sunset itself. Not a cloud in the sky. Will definitely be a very nice sunset today, so looking forward to that. Yeah. Okay, so we've made it to downtown. Sunset's about to happen. To be honest, we're all both really happy with what we've got. Faisal's just finishing up a few shots on film. I think he's got about 10 or so shots before the roll is finished, so he's just finishing it up. He's happy with his POV. He's got the photos that he wants. To be honest, we're just now going to chill by the water. Might go to the, I think it's called FDR, which is just further down, like underneath the bridge. See if we can get sunset from there. But that's it. Like, do you know what? Fantastic day. Like, absolutely fantastic day. But yeah, let's get a few more sunset shots for the end of the video. Full. That's it. One full roll. Yeah, or someone playing table tennis. If you do find yourself in NYC and you want to put your face next to a pair of balls, this is the place to come. You can sit there and have your photo taken with your nose against some balls. What do you think of the balls, Faisal?
4 out of 10.
Alright, that is all for us. So my battery's dying. So thank you ever so much for watching the video. From me, from Faisal. Go watch his video now and then see his version of today. So thank you as ever, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.
At this point, I want to say a huge thank you to today's video sponsor, which is Squarespace. Honestly, when I'm out on the road, I'm traveling, the last thing I want to worry about is updating my website and about speaking with developers or other companies to try and update a photo. By having a system which allows you to log on from any device and update everything, makes life so much easier for me. So if you're always traveling, if you're always on the road and you want the most simple and most intuitive system with regards to managing your online portfolio, your store, your blog and your newsletter, then honestly Squarespace is the best platform for it. If you want to get started with a free trial and then get 10% off your first purchase, just click on the link in the description. Again, thank you so much for watching this bit of the video.